Christmas celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ. Christmas trees were first used by ancient Egyptians and Romans. The term Christmas simply means Christmas. Santa Claus was known as Sinterklaas in Dutch. Santa Claus did not always dress up in red clothes. Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, has helpers too. Baby Jesus received some wonderful gifts when he was born. The Christmas wreath is a symbol of love and eternal life. Caroling is based on the tradition of wassailing. Santa Claus gets gifts too. Christmas cakes are not really plum cakes. Santa gets a lot of work done with the help of elves. The mistletoe is the symbol of love and laughter. Christmas stockings are cute, warm, and spacious. Wearing cute and stylish Christmas sweaters is now a competition. Lumps of coal are gifts too. People give Christmas cards to convey their feelings to their loved ones. Alabama was the first state in the U.S. to have recognized Christmas as an official holiday. There's a story behind the 12 days of Christmas. The biggest Christmas gift was the gift of friendship to the U.S. from the people of France.